Hello friends, welcome to Technique. This is Nirmal here, and in this video we're going to do a quick unboxing of the latest power bank announced by Xiaomi under the Mi branding, the Mi Pocket Power Bank Pro 10,000 mAh capacity battery, and this has 22.5 fast power delivery or PD charging included. So Xiaomi has announced a lot of power banks this year. We have covered most of them. So now we have a new Pocket Power Bank Pro. Now this is why it is called Pocket Power Bank. It is very small in size. You can see that the box package also is very small in size, and we'll be talking about what all features it offers. You can see a super lightweight, compact form factor, 12-layer advanced protection, and you can see the power bank here, 22.5 watt PD power bank. And you can also see the output voltage here. Max is 22.5 volt, triple port 5 volt 3 ampere, USB A is 5 volt 2.4 ampere or 9 volt 2.5 ampere, and 12 volt 1.85 ampere, that's USB type A. And if you are using USB type C, 5 volt 3 ampere, 9 volt 2.5 ampere, and 12 volt 1.85 ampere. So that's the output for each of the ports, and triple port if you are using, it's 5 volt 3 ampere. So that's the power bank, and we're going to do a quick unboxing. We'll show you what comes inside, and we'll also see the power bank. So let's open this and we'll take the power bank out. So you get a manual and user manual and warranty information. All the details are mentioned here. The charging time, the LED indicator, everything is mentioned here, and it is the complete user guide for this. You can also see the Mi original hologram anti-counterfeit label instruction. So let's just see the power bank now. So you can see it's extremely compact power bank. So let's just take this out. So there you go. You can see the power bank, and we'll talk about the power bank in a while, what else comes inside. So you can see here USB type A to type C port, charging port is cable is included, which is pretty good because now most of the smartphones are USB type C. So this is quite useful. So that's all inside the box. Now let's have a look at the power bank. So this is the power bank. You can see a pattern here, line pattern here throughout the device. You can see it gives a good grip, and it's very lightweight. That's something which is pretty good. It's 10,000 mAh. You can see that 10,000 is mentioned here, 10,000 mAh, and we have the different ports here. So it's there is a button which shows the battery percentage here. You can see that it shows the battery percentage. Then we have the USB type C port, the two USB type A port, and one micro USB port. So those are the three ports available. So this is the power bank. It looks quite compact. We'll try charging our iPhone with this. So we have the USB type C to port. So here you can see that it is now being charged. So it's pretty good in terms of charging capabilities. Xiaomi claims that this actually supports iPhone's charging as well. So that's something which is pretty good. So you can just plug in, and you can see that it is being charged now, and you can also see that there is a indicator here, LED indicator for the remaining battery percentage, and we have these ports as well. Now if you want to charge this power bank, you can see that this has either power bank charging can be done with the USB type C port or the micro USB port. So either of them you can charge the power bank, and this supports up to 22.5 watt charging. And we have been told about the input also. It supports up fast charging, that's 9 volt 2.5 ampere input. Fast charging is available via the USB type C port, and USB type A or the micro USB, it supports 9 volt 2 ampere. So if you are using the micro USB port, then you can get maximum F of 18 watt fast charging for charging the power bank. And if you use the USB type C, you get around 22.5 watt charging, in fact charging speed for charging this power bank. So both ways it supports fast charging. To charge the power bank, if you have an 18 watt or 22.5 watt charger, you will be able to fast charge it. And if you want to charge any smartphone or any device, these two or other every of the ports supports fast charging, the power delivery charging, and maximum up to 22.5 watt. So that is the unboxing and hands-on. Now we also have a giveaway of this power bank. So one sealed box we have for giveaway, and for giveaway we have the link in the description of this video. So you can just visit that link. Just have to make sure you follow our accounts. One is YouTube, make sure you subscribe to our channel, then follow us on Instagram and on our Twitter accounts. That's it, and you will be eligible for winning this power bank. So this is priced at $10.99. It's like 1100 rupees, and this is quite a compact and lightweight power bank from Xiaomi. So that's it for this video. Do participate in the giveaway. The link is available in the description and also in the comment section. And hope you enjoyed watching this video. Do hit that like button and also hit the subscribe button for more videos. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you in our next video. Have a great day.